Have you ever dreamed of soaring through the skies as a fighter pilot or exploring the depths of the ocean in a submarine? What if you could touch the very vehicles that shaped history in space, air, and sea exploration? The Intrepid Sea, Air and Space Museum is packed with amazing interactive exhibits that bring these incredible stories to life. From flight simulators that put you in the cockpit to walking through historic vessels, you can truly get hands-on with some of the world's most significant engineering marvels. These experiences are designed to immerse you directly into the roles of astronauts, pilots, and sailors, offering a unique perspective you just cannot get from static displays. The museum features advanced simulators and authentic environments that allow you to feel the thrill of takeoff, understand the tight quarters of a submarine, or grasp the sheer scale of a space shuttle up close. This approach makes complex scientific and historical concepts tangible and exciting for all ages. To make the most of these interactive opportunities, plan to arrive early, especially during peak seasons, as some popular simulators may have queues. Look for exhibits like the Concorde Experience, where you can step inside a supersonic jet, and the Space Shuttle Enterprise Pavilion, which offers incredible views of a true space icon. Do not forget to explore the submarine Growler, where you can navigate its narrow passageways and imagine life aboard a Cold War vessel. One truly special experience is the Explorium, a dedicated interactive hall focused on science, technology, engineering, and mathematics principles. Here, you can experiment with aviation and nautical concepts, even guiding a model plane. The museum also frequently hosts special events and temporary exhibits that introduce new interactive elements, so always check their schedule before your visit for fresh ways to engage. By diving into these interactive exhibits, you are not just learning about history, you are actively participating in it. These hands-on adventures provide an unforgettable understanding of human ingenuity and the incredible journeys of exploration, inspiring curiosity and a love for discovery in every visitor.